I have been always interested in art since I was little, and I've been fascinated by the fact that there are mathematicians who are also artists or beautiful crafters who make mathematical objects.
She had in mind for a long time to create an installation, but she was looking for somebody who could create and was able to give workshop, and that's exactly what I do.
So we have a team of 24 people with expertise in so many different directions and so many different concepts.
I was impressed how many of the mathematicians are already artists.
The level of detail is incredible, and there is really a lot of math in here.
It's exhilarating. I mean, it's just, we worked hard on it, we discussed and so on, but it was all still very abstract until it actually really happened. And it really is here, and it is glorious.